In the bustling streets of Kingston, Jamaica, lived a young man named Rohan. But Rohan wasn't just any ordinary guy. He was a superhero with a very special gift. You see, Rohan's fists were massive, not just big but enormous, like two giant boulders ready to smash through anything. And because his fists were so powerful, he became known as the Giant Fist of Jamaica. One hot afternoon, while Rohan was relaxing on the beach, a strange shimmer appeared in the sky. It was an alien spaceship, glowing and pulsating with strange energy. Out of nowhere, a group of robotic invaders descended, threatening to destroy Kingston and all of Jamaica's beautiful culture and people. Rohan knew he had to act fast. With his giant fists clenched tight, he charged toward the robots. As he swung his fist, a shockwave rippled through the air, knocking several robots off their feet. His fists were so big and powerful that they could crush metal like paper. The robots tried to shoot laser beams at him, but Rohan's massive fists deflected every attack, protecting his island home. Suddenly, the alien ship emitted a strange energy beam aimed at Kingston's harbor. Rohan leapt into the air, his fists glowing with Jamaican pride and determination. With one mighty punch, he struck the ship's core, causing it to destabilize and explode in a burst of light. The robotic invaders malfunctioned and shut down, retreating into the cosmos. As the dust settled, the people of Kingston cheered. Rohan's giant fists had saved Jamaica from destruction, proving that even the biggest strength comes from the heart. From that day on, Rohan became a legend, not just for his enormous fists, but for his courage, unity, and the love he had for his island home. And so, the giant-fisted hero of Jamaica stood tall, ready to defend his people whenever danger appeared, because sometimes the biggest fists hold the biggest hearts.